Hey guys, these are the Dimora Silicone Foam Dressings. So big 4x4 bandages made with quality medical grade material that keeps them attached and adhered even on joints and things that bend a lot. And they are so incredibly absorbent. So let me show you some details. These are great if you've had any surgeries or big wounds. You can use them at home. Great for athletes and anyone who's sweats a lot or in and out of the water a lot, taking lots of showers. These are really going to help stay in place as you heal because they get the job done. So you can see they're obviously flesh colored and they're pretty thick. There are a ton of layers in here. Let me show you. So look at the inside, all those layers. Sorry, trying to get the focus. There we go. And let's see how truly absorbent they are. So first I'm just gonna put one on. And the nice thing with what makes these different is even the white part where the gauze is, there's adhesive on there. So that sticks on you as well. Just on my arm. Goodbye, arm hair. Okay, so there's our control. Now we're gonna pour some red dyed liquid representing you know what. Okay, that was a lot of water, but let's see if this half can clean it up. We're just gonna set it down. And you can watch it fill up. Oops, if I can get the water to it. Watch it getting thicker and thicker as it soaks it up. Apparently I should have done this on the, put it on the edge. Here. I'll just let it be and let it get there. Look how thick that got. Let's look in comparison to the one on my arm. Oh, look how full it got compared to where it started. If you have an open wound that is gushing, this is gonna be able to soak it up and prevent you from needing to change your bandage more often. But look at the difference of how much it can soak up. They claim it has pain-free removal. Let's see. I don't understand. How can it be so sticky and not rip all my arm hair off? All right, I'm actually kind of amazed. Notice how flexible it is. I'm putting one on my knee and we're gonna go swimming, but look, I can move my knee straight and bend it and it just stays in one place. So let's see how it does after spending some time in the pool. So here's what I'll say. It stayed on nicely in the water, but it did fill up with, like, it totally expanded. So after you're in the water, you're gonna need to change your bandage anyway, but at least if you need to stay on in the water, it will do that for you. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with these. My 3 children are all grown up now and don't skin their knees as often as they used to, but these would have been so helpful because of the size, because of how sticky they are, because of how absorbent they are. So these are just a must-have for every home, whether you're in post-op recovery, elderly care, children care, or you're an athlete that sweats or showers or swims a lot that needs bandages that are going to stay in place. These Dimora ones are next level. Such a great option.